Good morning, guys. I know you guys have not seen me, but you guys are definitely gonna see me in the new year. Sorry, I look crazy. I just woke up. I look crazy. Ooh, my voice sounds crazy too. So, surprise, guys, I'm going to Jamaica. I didn't think we would get here, but we did, by the grace of God. Thank you, God. Is that my tea kettle? Hold on, guys. Hold on one second. So, where was I? Okay, yeah. So we are going to Jamaica, guys. Please pack your bags, okay? We are only allowed 50 pounds. Is it 50 pounds? I think it's 50 pounds for a check-on. Carry-on, you know, it doesn't really matter. Just no liquids, just the travel size, you know, that is permitted. Okay, guys, we're going to Jamaica. We're gonna go see the family. So pack your bags. Yeah, I'm so excited. I didn't think I was gonna get to go because I was shooting to go for Christmas, but it just didn't work out because my job would not give me off, which I understood because they needed me for New Year's Eve, but I was off Christmas Eve and Christmas, so it just kind of sucks that I wasn't able to bring in the new year with my family. That's the only thing. But other than that, I am so blessed and I'm so thankful to, you know, open my 2 blessings and see another day. And, you know, to anybody that lost a loved one or just something really bad happened, bringing in the new year, just pray about it. You know what I mean? And if you're going through a hard time, keep going. Don't stop in, you know, the midst of everything being crazy and just, you know what I mean? So, and that is something that I've had to learn. But now that the rocky times are over, I'm going to see my family. I really miss them. My mom knows and my aunt knows and the people that are around me knows, like I really was struggling. Like I really need to see my family. So I'm excited, guys. So today, guys, we have so much stuff to do. So I have to wash my hair. I have to wash my makeup brushes, which I don't even think they're gonna dry in time. That's how close Jamaica is. Then I have to go shopping because there's some stuff that I have to get for my great grandma. I have to go to the bank. So much stuff. And yeah, your girl waited last minute, but it wasn't even last minute. I had other stuff doing. And yeah, also we got some packages. I ordered some things from ColourPop, so I'll open that with you guys. So during Boxing Day, ColourPop had like a huge sale. Like everything was like dirt cheap, like $3 to $4, like cheap. And I was like, I cannot pass that up, child. So I got 2 eyebrow pencils. I use the Anastasia Dip Brow, or I use the Hourglass brow pomade. But I got these for my aunt and my mom. I don't know if I don't think my mom fills in her eyebrows. So if anything, my aunt can just get these 2. Then I also got the No Filter Concealer in number 28, I believe. I really like it. And it's super inexpensive. It's under $5 on sale. So couldn't beat that, child. Couldn't beat that. Then, ooh, you see? Then I just got a few more items. So I got, what the hell is this? Oh, okay. So I didn't know ColourPop stepped up their game like this. So basically they give you, I ordered an eyeshadow. How pretty is that color? Guys, do not mind my nails. I'm gonna get them done. Because they're my real nails, when they break, I have to wait till they come back. Look what happened at work last night. Anyways, but this hand is a fleeky, okay? Can you see the fleek? But this hand is, I don't know, a struggle because I'm right-handed. So anyways, I got this color. How pretty is that? Then I also got the No Filter setting powder. I've heard good things about this. I've seen good reviews on YouTube about it. Actually, I've only seen one review on YouTube about it, let's be honest. So I've been using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I've had this for so long. So I've been using the Lock-It brightening powder. And I like it. So this is like the comparison. You guys can kind of see it. It's kind of the same thing. But supposedly this is super light. And I really want like a light powder because this one is really heavy. But it works okay for me. It makes me super oily, so I try not to go overboard. with that, let's put you back in your little case for now, booby. All right. And then I got 2 of these jelly shadows. I'm not gonna swatch it, but look at it. Look how pretty that is. Okay. I love tea so much. My dentist is saying that the tea stains your teeth. My dentist told me that tea stains your teeth more than coffee. I don't know if I believe that. Who said that? And then this one is so pretty as well. I really like these colors. Look how jelly they are. Is that so pretty? With that being said, I have to drop off some orders. I got new packaging for my site. I got some orders where I need to drop off. And these are like friends and family, so that ordered from me. Well, thank you for the support, guys. Also, what was I gonna say? Also, what am I forgetting? Oh yeah, so also my jewelry is going to be in House of Elegance. So if you are in the New Jersey area, you do not have to order online. You can go to House of Elegance Boutique. I will link their site down below. So these are, I have makeup on my thing. So these are the Jamaica, can you guys see it? Necklaces. They just say Jamaica on it, and they're stainless steel, so they are not going to rust or anything. So I have 3. And then also someone ordered an anklet, so that it just has an M on it, and that's stainless steel as well. I don't know why it's not focusing, but it's really cute. It's on the site, guys. So she had an anklet and a necklace. And then the other one, this is my new Jamaica necklace. It's just the outline of Jamaica. And that is in there. And that is in there. Okay, so these are the 3 orders. Guys, so I just got home. I had to run to therapy, but it's closed. They put it on my schedule for some reason. I'm editing my 2018, like, not throwback, but you guys are gonna see probably this before. I don't know which video you guys are gonna see before, but I know it's kind of a different video that I really don't, and I'm using iMovie, so I'm just going over it really quick. All right, guys, so all right, that is it for this video. Something super short, nothing really exciting, but just, you know, to let you guys know that we're going to Jamaica. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for rocking with me. If you reach the end of this video, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and catch up on the old vlogs. If you're not updated, just so you're aware of what's going on. I'm gonna try my best to vlog for you guys in Jamaica as usual. But you know how it is when you're down there, it's just so much going on. So, but anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.